during that case, we started cross-referencing a 2018 unsolved murder. And we were able to charge, go to trial, and convict one man, and then charge him again along with another co-defendant in a 2018 murder that's been sitting here in Saluda County. And I'm very proud of our officers for being able to do that. I'm very passionate about law enforcement, very passionate about helping people. We do have a limited issue with manpower. Sometimes things go wrong, but I promise you, we do have a fine office filled with people who care about the citizens of Saluda County, and they're here to help. So we may, if anybody has questions, I think when everybody gets done, I'm sure we'll all answer questions and do a Q&A, but I'm going to kind of